Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to use the voice commands and where to find the list of all voice commands. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Now first I will show you the location of all the voice commands and then I will explain how to use it. So what you want to do, you want to press here onto the settings button, then you want to press help, and now you want to select voice command list, and here you will get the list of all main commands. Now how this works: when you engage voice commands, first you have to say one of these words. So for example, we'll select climate, and then you have like sub commands to choose: AC on off, climate automatic on, bunch of stuff, defrost on off. So pretty much anything on the car you can turn on or off with the voice commands. Okay, now I will show you how this looks. So if I press voice commands here,
please say a command.
Climate.
Climate, say a command.
AC on.
AC on.
Okay, and this is how you pretty much do it. I've just turned the AC on using my voice commands. Now the idea is you have to learn pretty much all commands to be able to efficiently use this feature, and then while you drive you don't have to click the buttons and things like that. So it's all pretty much, if you go under audio, you'll see all the commands. You can select AM, FM, audio on off, Bluetooth. There's a bunch of commands, CD, USB, so whatever you have to do. And this is actually quite handy if you are driving in a city in a high traffic. Okay, so I will do one more example.
Please say a command.
Climate.
Climate, say a command.
Set temperature to 22.
Did you say 22 degrees?
Yes.
Setting temperature to 22 degrees.
Okay, you can see here the temperature is at 22. Okay, so I will show you one more example.
Please say a command.
Audio.
Audio, say a command.
Radio.
Radio, say a frequency or preset.
98.3.
Tuning to FM 98.3.
Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.